हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू ऑफ स्विच गियर एंड प्रोटेक्शन। दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू करने के पहले मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा। यदि वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, और आप शेयर कर दीजिए दोस्तों में। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, UP SSC में जे की वैकेंसी आ गई है, उसका नोटिफिकेशन भी आ गया है। तो पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, बहुत मेहनत से। अच्छा मौका है, जिनका UPPCL में नहीं हो पाया उनके लिए एक मौका और मिला है। ओके दोस्तों, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ अ फ्यूज इज टू प्रोटेक्ट द लाइन, open the circuit, protect the appliance, prevent excessive current, none of the above. Answer is prevent excessive current. अगला क्वेश्चन, which of the following routine tests are conducted? Option A, oil circuit breakers, air blast circuit breakers, minimum oil circuit breaker, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. SF6 gas, option A, is yellow in color, is lighter than air, is non-toxic, has pungent smell, none of the above. Answer is non-toxic. Question number 4, the arcing contact in a circuit breaker are made of copper tungsten alloy, porcelain, electrolytic copper, aluminum alloy. Answer is copper tungsten alloy. Which of the following medium is employed for extension of arc in air circuit breakers? Oil, water, air, SF6. Answer is air. Which of the following a circuit breaker must be equipped for remote operation? Inverse time trip, time delay trip, sun tripped, none of the above, all of the above. Answer is sun tripped. Question number 7, fault diverters are basically fuse relay, fast switches, circuit breakers. Answer is fast switches. A thermal protection switch can protect against short circuit, temperature, overload, overvoltage. Answer is overload. Arc in a circuit breaker behave as a capacitive reactance, an inductive reactance, a resistance increase with voltage rise across the arc. Option D, a resistance decreasing with voltage rise across the arc. Answer is option D. Thermal circuit breaker has option A, delayed trip action, instantaneous trip action, both of above, none of the above. Answer is delay trip. Question number 11, relay can be designed to respond to change in resistance, reactance or impedance, voltage and current, light intensity, temperature, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Overload relay are of the type induction, solid state, thermal, electromagnetic, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Thermal overload relay are used to protect the motor against overcurrent due to option A, short circuit, heavy load, ground, all of the above. Answer is heavy load. Magnetic circuit breaker has trip action, delay trip action, instantaneous trip action, both of above, none of the above. Answer is instantaneous trip action. DC shunt relay are made of. DC shunt relay are made of few turn with thin wire, few turn with thick wire, many turn with thin wire, many turn with thick wire. Answer is many turn with thin wire. The relay operating speed depends upon the spring tension, the rate of flux built up, armature core air gap, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. In order that current should flow without causing excessive heating or voltage drop, the relay contact should have low contact resistance, V clean and smooth, V sufficient size and proper shape, have all above properties. Answer is have all above properties. Circuit breaker usually operate under transient state of short circuit current, sub-transient state of short circuit current, steady state of short circuit current after DC component has ceased. Answer is transient state of short circuit current. Circuit breaker are essentially option A current carrying contact called electrodes, arc extinguisher, circuit to break the system, transformer to isolate the two system, any of the above. Answer is current carrying contact called electrodes. The current zero interruption in oil and air blast circuit breaker is achieved by lengthening of a gap, cooling and blast effect, both A and B. Option D, deionizing the oil with forced air, none of the above. Answer is option C, lengthening of the gap and cooling and blast effect. 21. Air blast circuit breaker is used for overcurrents, short duty, intermittent duty, repeated duty. Answer is repeated duty. An efficient and a well-designed protective relaying should have good selectivity and reliability, economy and simplicity, high speed and selectivity, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Burden of a protective relay is the power required to operate the circuit breaker, absorbed by the circuit of relay, developed by the relay circuit, none of the above. Answer is absorbed by the circuit of relay. Directional relay are based on flow of power, current, voltage, wave, all of the above. Answer is power. A differential relay measures the vector difference between two currents, two voltage, two or more similar electrical quantities, none of the above. Answer is option C. A transmission line is protected by inrush protection, distance protection, time graded and current graded over current protection, both B and C, none of the above. Answer is both B and C. Question number 27. Large internal fault are protected by merge price, percentage differential protection, Maho and Ohm relay, horn gap and temperature relay, earth fault and positive sequence relay. Answer is merge price, percentage differential protection. Question number 28. When a transmission line is energized, the wave that propagates on it is option A, current wave only, voltage wave only, both A and B. Option D, power factor wave only. Answer is both A and B. 29 question. Protective relay are devices that detect abnormal condition in electrical circuit by measuring current during abnormal condition, voltage during abnormal condition, constantly the electrical quantities which differ during normal and abnormal condition? None of the above. Answer is option C. 30. The voltage appearing across the contact after opening the circuit breaker is called dash voltage. Recovery voltage, surge voltage, operating voltage, arc voltage, none of the above. Answer is recovery voltage. Ionization in circuit breaker is facilitated by high temperature, increase of mean free path, increased field strength, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 32. In a circuit breaker, the basic problem is to maintain the arc, extinguish the arc, transmit large power, emit the ionizing electrons. Answer is transmit large power. 33. Overheating of a relay contact or contact borne out is due to slow making and breaking of low circuit contact, foreign matter and contact surface, too low contact pressure, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Interruption of large current by relay required, arc suppressing below out coil, wide separation of the open contact, high speed opening of contacts, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Shunt capacitance is neglected while considering short transmission line, medium transmission line, long transmission line, medium and long transmission line. Answer is short transmission line. The arc voltage produced in AC circuit breaker is always in phase with arc current, lagging the arc current by 90 degree, leading the arc current by 90 degree, none of the above. Answer is in phase with arc current. The time of closing the cycle in modern circuit breaker is 0.003 second, 0.001 second, 0.01 second, 0.10 second, none of the above. Answer is 0.003 second. 38 question. In insulation resistance of high voltage circuit breaker is more than 1 mega ohm, 10 mega ohm, 100 mega ohm, 500 mega ohm. Answer is 100 mega ohm. Option C. HRC fuse provide best protection against overload, reverse current, open circuit, short circuit. Answer is short circuit. The ground wire should not be smaller than number the copper 2, 6, 4, 10. Answer is 10 number copper. 41 question. The delay fuse are used for the protection of motors, power outlet circuit, fluorescent lamp, light circuit. Answer is motors. The delay fuse are used for protection of motors. 42 question. Which of the following is the least expensive protection for overcurrent is low voltage system? Reversible fuse, isolator, oil circuit breaker, air brake circuit breaker, none of the above. Answer is reversible fuse. Resistance grounding is used for voltage between 33 kV to 66 kV, 11 kV to 30 kV, 33 kV, 3.3 kV to 11 kV, and none of the above. Answer is 33 kV to 11 kV. 44 question. The contact of high voltage switches used in power system are submerged in oil. The main purpose of the oil is to lubricate the contact, insulate the contact from switch body, extinguish the arc, all of the above, none of the above. Answer is extinguish the arc. In railway application, dash circuit breaker is used. SF6, valve coil, minimum oil, air brake. Answer is air brake. To protect most of electrical equipment handling low power, the types of relay used are thermocouple, electronic and bimetallic, both A and B. None of the above. Answer is both A and B. 47 question. Wave trap is used to trap waves of power frequencies, high frequencies entering generator or transformer unit. Either of the above, none of the above. Answer is higher frequency entering generator or transformer units. 48 question. Underground neutral transmission system is not recommended because of system. Option A, insulation being overstressed due to overvoltage. Insulation overstressed may lead to failure and subsequent phase-to-phase fault. Being inadequately protected against ground fault, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 49 questions. The reflection coefficient at the open circuit end of a transmission line. Option A, 0, infinity, unity, none of the above. Answer is unity. For the protection of power station building against direct stroke, the requirements are interception and conduction, interception, conduction and dissipation, interception, conduction, dissipation and reflection. Answer is interception, conduction and dissipations. 51 question. The line insulation is the insulation level of the station equipment. Option A, less than, same as, more than, proportional to, non-directly related with. Answer is non-directly related with. 52 question. The interaction between a transmission line and communication line is minimized by option A, transposing transmission as well as communication line, increasing the height of transmission line tower, increasing the distance between two lines, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. When a wave propagates on a transmission line, it suffers reflection several times at tapping, load and sending and other end, all of the above. Answer is sending and other end. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Station batteries are used to operate relay only. The lightning arrestor are basically surge diverter. An impedance relay has maximum fault current when fault occurs near the relay. A high speed relay has a operation of 1 to 2 cycle. Answer is station batteries are used to operate relay only. 55 question. Discrimination between main and backup protection is provided by the use of relay which are fact sensitive, slow, none of the above. Answer is slow. 56 question. Induction cup relay is operated due to change in current, voltage, impedance, all of the above. Answer is All of the above. 57 question. AC network analyzer is used to solve problem of load flow and short circuit, load flow and stability, load flow, short circuit and stability. None of the above. Answer is load flow, short circuit and stability. 58 question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Option A. Lightning arrestor are used before the switchgear. Shunt reactor are used as a compensation reactor. The peak short current is the time the AC component. The MVA at fault is equal to MVA divided by per unit equivalent fault reactance. Answer is lightning arrestor are used before the switchgear. 59 question. Short circuit current are due to single phase to ground fault, phase to phase fault, phase to two phase to ground fault, three phase fault, any of the above. Answer is any of the above. 60 question. To reduce short circuit fault current are used reactors, resistor, capacitor, none of the above. Answer is reactors. Bus coupler is very essential is arrangement. Single bus, double breaker, main and transfer bus. All of the above. Answer is main and transfer bus. For cost and safety, the outdoor substation are installed for voltage above 11 kV, 33 kV, 60 kV, 110 kV. Answer is 33 kV. To short circuit in any winding of transformer is the result of mechanical vibration, insulation failure, loose connection, impulse voltage. Answer is impulse voltage. 64 question. Relay are used for phase fault on long line. Relay are used for phase fault on long line. Impedance, reactance, either of the above, none of the above. Answer is impedance relay. 65 question. For which of the following protection from negative sequence current is provided? Generator, motor, transmission line, transformer. Answer is generators. Answer is generators. 66 question. Relay is preferred for phase fault on short transmission line. Relay is preferred for phase fault on short transmission line. Option A. Induction type, reactance, impedance, none of the above. Answer is option B. Reactance relay. Distance relay are generally split phase relay, reactance relay, impedance relay, none of the above. Answer is none of the above. For which of the following rating of the transformer differential protection is recommended? Above 30 kVA, equal to and above 5 MVA, equal to and above 25 MVA, none of the above. Answer is equal to and above 5 MVA. A dash. 69 question. A dash is used to measure the stator percentage winding temperature of the generator. Thermocouple, pyrometer, resistance thermometer, thermometer. Answer is resistance thermometer. 70 question. The under voltage relay can be used for? Option A. Generators, bus bar, transformer, motors, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The relay with inverse time characteristic will operate within 1.5 second, 5 to 10 second, 5 to 20 second, 20 to 30 second, none of the above. Answer is 5 to 10 second. 72 question. The single phasing relay are used for protection of option is single phase motor only, two phase motor only, two single phase motor running in parallel, three phase motors. Answer is three phase motors. 73 question. Which of the following device will receive voltage surge first traveling on the transmission line? Lightning arrestor, relay, step down transformer, switch gear. Answer is lightning arrestor. 74 question. Which of the following parameter can be neglected for a short transmission line? Inductance, capacitance, resistance, reactance. Answer is capacitance. 75 question. Series reactors should have low resistance, high resistance, low impedance, high impedance. Answer is low resistance. 76 question. Which of the following circuit breaker has high reliability and minimum maintenance? Air blast circuit breaker with SF6 gas, vacuum circuit breaker, oil circuit breakers. Answer is circuit breaker with SF6 gas. 77 question. Arc in a circuit breaker is interrupted at zero current, maximum current, minimum voltage, maximum voltage. Answer is zero current. 78 question. Transmission line has a reflection coefficient as 1. Open circuit, short circuit, long, or none of the above. Answer is open circuit. 79 question. What will be the reflection coefficient of the wave of load connected to transmission line if surge impedance of the line is equal to the load? 0, unity, infinity, none of the above. Answer is 0. 80 question. The inverse definite mean time relay are used for overcurrent and earth fault protection of transmission against heavy load, internal short circuit, external short circuit, all of the above. Answer is internal short circuit. 81 question. Over voltage protection is recommended for hydroelectric generators, steam turbine generators, gas turbine generator, all of the above, none of the above. Answer is all of the above. 82 question. Air blast circuit breaker of 400 kV power system are designed to operate in 100 microsecond, 50 millisecond, 0.5 second, 0.1 second. Answer is 50 millisecond. 83 question. Overfluxing protection is recommended for distribution transformers, generator transformer of the power plant, auto transformer of the power plant, station transformer of the power plant. Answer is auto transformer of the power plant. 84 question. Series capacitor are used to compensate for line inductive reactance, compensate for line capacitive reactance, improve line voltage, none of the above. Answer is compensate of line inductive reactance. 85 question. Admittance relay is dash relay, impedance relay, directional relay, non-directional relay, none of the above. Answer is directional relay. 86 question. The material used for fuse must have low melting point and high specific resistance, low melting point and low specific resistance, high melting point and low specific resistance, low melting point and any specific resistance. Answer is low melting point and high specific resistance. 87 question. If the fault occurs near the impedance relay, the VIA ratio will be constant for all distance, lower than that of it if fault occurs away from the relay, higher than that of if fault occurs away from the relay, none of the above. Answer is lower than that of if fault occurs away from the relay. 88 question. The torque produced in induction type relay is option A inversely proportional to current, inversely proportional to the square of the current, proportional to the current, proportional to the square of the current. Answer is inversely proportional to the square of the current. 89 questions. The steady state stability of power system can be increased by connecting line in parallel, connecting line in series, using machine of high impedance, reducing the excitation of machine, none of the above. Answer is connecting line in parallel. 90 question. The inductive interference between power and communication line can be minimized by transposition of power line, transposition of communication line, both A and B. Option D, increasing the distance between conductors. Answer is both A and B. 91 question. 91 question. The power is lost in an important factor for design of transmission line, motor, generator, feeder. Answer is transmission line. A fuse is connected in series with circuit, in parallel with circuit, either in series or in parallel with circuit. None of the above. Answer is in series with circuit. HRC fuse as compared to a reliable fuse has no aging effect, high speed of operation, high repeating capacity, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 94 question. The fuse rating is expressed in term of current, voltage, VAR, kVA. Answer is current. 95 question. The fuse willows off by burning, arcing, melting. None of the above. Answer is melting. 96 question. On which of the following effect of electric current a fuse operates? Photoelectric effect, electrostatic effect, heating effect, magnetic effect. Answer is heating effect. 97 question. An isolator is installed to operate the relay of circuit breaker as a substitute for circuit breaker, always independent of the position of circuit breaker, generally on both sides of a circuit breaker. Answer is generally on both sides of a circuit breaker. 98. A fuse in a motor circuit provide protection against overload, short circuit and overload, open circuit, short circuit and overload. None of the above. And answer is short circuit and overload. 99 question. Protection by fuse is generally not used beyond 20 ampere, 50 ampere, 100 ampere, 200 ampere. Answer is 100 ampere. 100 question. A fuse is never inserted in neutral wire, negative of DC circuit, positive of DC circuit, phased in. Answer is neutral wire. 101 question. Oil switches are employed for low current circuit, low voltage circuit, high voltage and high current, large current circuit, all of option D, all circuit. Answer is high voltage and large current circuit. A switchgear is used for interrupting an electric circuit, switching and controlling an electric circuit, switching, controlling and protecting the electric circuit and equipment. Answer is switching, controlling and protecting the electric circuit and equipment. Option D. 103 question. The fuse wire in DC circuit is inserted in negative circuit only, positive circuit only, both A and B, either A or B. आंसर इज बोथ A and B. 104 question. By which of the following method major protection of the heat generated in a HRC fuse is dissipated? Option A, radiation, convection, conduction, all of the above. Answer is conduction. 105 question. A short circuit is identified by no current flow, heavy current flow, voltage drop, voltage rise. Answer is heavy current flow. 106 question. The information to the circuit breaker under fault condition is provided by relay, reversible fuse, HRC fuse, all of the above. Answer is relay. To limit short circuit current in a power system are used earth wire, isolator, HRC fuse, reactors. Answer is reactors. 109 question. A balanced three-phase system consists of option A, 0 sequence current only, positive sequence current only, negative and 0 sequence current, 0 negative and positive sequence current. Answer is positive sequence current only. 100 question. In a single bus bar system, there will be complete shutdown when option A, fault occurs on the bus itself, fault occurs on neutral line, 2 or more fault occurs simultaneously, fault occurs with respect of to earthing. Answer is fault occurs on the bus itself. तो दोस्तों ये थे स्विचगियर एंड प्रोटेक्शन के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट 110 MCQs. दोस्तों यदि आप इन्हें पढ़ लेंगे तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई आने वाला एग्जाम में आपका कोई इस टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन छूटे. और दोस्तों यदि वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. और यदि आप प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहते हैं और भी यदि और MCQ की वीडियो चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम.